Unrecognizable makeup. Let's do it. I did see this creator and I want to try out how she did her eye makeup. I'm going to try my best. Just going in with some foundation, contour, concealer. So for my base, I'm pretty much just doing it how I usually would. Blending out the contour real quick. I hope this turns out nice and unrecognizable. Blending out the concealer. Quickly spray that. Gonna do a bit of not concealer, a bit of blush right under the eyes. Blend that out. I don't usually place my blush here. Trying something new. Not bad. Oh, I kind of like that better than how I normally do my blush. Oh, she did a little bit on the nose too, so let's do that and blend it out. Setting everything with powder. Just going over the areas I put that liquid blush with a bit of powder blush just to make the colour pop again. Might have done a bit too much on the nose. I look like Rudolph. I'm gonna go into these two to do a warm tone eyeshadow in my crease. Okay, I'm doing like a thin darker brown line on my crease and flicking it out kind of like a wing. Smudge it out a little bit. Obviously I have a completely different eye shape to her, so I'm kind of just like slightly changing the eye makeup. Blend from the line going upwards. Then I'm going to add a lash. I'm going to put the inner corner on like normal. When it gets to the outer corner, I'm going to lift it and stick it to my eyelid. So you see, there's a big gap. Take some eyeliner and just fill it in that gap so it blends in. And then I'm going to do a wing liner going out and in. Okay. Using the same dark brown eyeshadow to create like a lower eyelid. I'm not sure if that's the right way to do it, but I'm trying. I'm going to add some of that lighter shade in between that line and my lash line, just to make it stand out a bit more. Adding nude eyeliner in my waterline and kind of dragging it outwards. Now I'm going to go with a brown eyeliner to create some bottom lashes. Small little hair strokes along the lash line. Okay, that'll do. Adding some brown mascara to my bottom lashes. Then I'm going to do the exact same on the other eye. I'll be right back. Adding a little bit of shimmer to the inner corner and like under that lower lash line. Don't know if you can see it, but I did add it. Let's add a bit of it on the nose as well. Bring it onto the lid a little bit. Just filling in my eyebrows. I'm kind of just making the ends more straight. Hopefully that looks good. Lips, I'm gonna add this kind of pink shade. Using my foundation brush just to blend around my lips so that it's kind of more of like a faded look. And I'm going with some red lipstick right in the middle here and blend it out. Top it off with some pink gloss. Line my cupid's bow. And right here, cleaning up those edges again with the foundation brush so that there's no like lip product going on the outer edges, so it looks like I've got that little pouty lip. Okay, I think I'm done. Let me fix my hair, I'll be right back. I'm back. Here's the final look. I don't know if the makeup makes me look unrecognizable. I tried to switch up the hair to help. Maybe I should have gone more dramatic on the eyes or did like a really bold color. I feel like anything I do in my crease, once I open my eyes, it just kind of gets hidden away. But I do really like how it turned out. But be honest, what do you guys think? How did I do? Is it a hit or a miss? I'm going to follow this eyeshadow tutorial and see how it turns out. First, I'm going to put an eyeshadow base all over my eyelid and then blend it all out so it's nice and smooth. So I need some tape and eyeliner, and I'm drawing like a half circle shape on the tape. Once you're happy with your shape, we're going to cut it out, following along that line that I drew. And then it creates like this little half circle sticker shape. And you're going to use that as a sticker and pop it on your inner corner along your crease here. Press it into place. I'm going in with this Kylie palette and I'm going to dip into the black shade. Here's the brush that I'm using. Apply it along the line and blend it out slightly. Then he goes in with some grey eyeshadow and really blends out the edges of that black. Applying tape here too to create a wing. And I'm going to do the exact same colours. Going in with the black first, blending it along my outer corner and then blending that out with the grey eyeshadow. Once I'm happy with my blend, I'm going to peel away the tape. Moment of truth. Yeah. Oh! I feel like I've been doing so much creative makeup lately that I've kind of abandoned glam makeups. And I used to do it all the time. Let's peel this bit right here. Oh. My eyeshadow base kind of got pulled off with the tape. So I'm just going to go back in and add a little bit more. Press on top with like a shimmery eyeshadow. Blingin'. I'm gonna do some inner corner liner. I'm just using black eyeshadow, but you can use liquid eyeliner or pencil eyeliner or gel eyeliner, whatever eyeliner you have. Ooh. Adding that black eyeshadow along my lower lash line and kind of just winging it out at the bottom there as well. Adding some mascara and lashes right there. Oh, okay, hang on. Right there. Yes. I think it's looking good. Hit the like button if you agree. I need to do the same on the other eye and finish the rest of my makeup, so I'll be right back. I'm back. Here's the final look. I'm not sure if silver really suits me, but I like it. I think it's actually a really good hack, especially for beginners. I know they're not perfectly even, but I'm happy with how it turned out. Be honest, what do you guys think? Is it a hit or a miss? Let's try 3 easy makeup hacks. First up, we got this concealer hack. So you want to get your blush. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in Cheeky Lychee. It's a new one. I've never tried it before. And you're going to draw a circle around your eye like this. Ooh. Same on this eye, circle. I look like I have goggles on. Then take your concealer. I'm using the Revolution in Real Life filter. And you want to draw another circle right over that. Right here, like that. This side, go right over it. Now just blend it out. And it's supposed to color correct and conceal at the same time. Blend under the eye. It's looking a little bit, I don't know, like pink, peachy. I would definitely need to apply another circle of concealer just to kind of lighten it up a bit. Blend out this side and see. Blend, 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 blend. Here's how it looks. It definitely helped color correct. So it's still too peachy for me. Maybe I applied too much blush. I should have done like a thin circle. But it's a good little hack. It works if you do it right, I guess. Let me go in with another circle of concealer. Might not make much difference, but it's worth a try. Blend. Oh, I feel like it has made a difference. Okay, that's better. Much better. I like that hack. Let me finish off the rest of my base. I'll be right back. That's better. Next, easy eyeliner hack for beginners. So you're going to need a loose setting powder and your eyeliner. I'm using the House Labs powder, and you want to take something with a straight edge. So I'm just using the end of this eye cream. Dip it into your powder and use it as like a stamp to guide your shape. You see? So I'm going to pretend there's an invisible line going from my lower lash line up towards the corner of my brow. Stamp here. Okay. Another invisible line along onto the middle of your eyelid. Right along here. There we go. So just do whatever shape you want. It can be bigger, smaller. Once you've done that and you're happy with your shape, go in with your eyeliner. I'm using KVD tattoo liner. Draw within that line. Follow along the powder line guide. Bring it in and fill it in. I'm going to do a little bit of inner corner too, because why not? Just away that powder line like it was never there. And then you have your perfect eyeliner. Go ahead and finish off the rest of your eye makeup. I'm adding some L'Oreal mascara. Adding the lashes. I'm using Lily lashes. Time for number 3, long-lasting lipstick hack. For this one, you're going to want your lipstick, lip liner, and setting powder. Going in with Kylie Cosmetics lip liner first. In the shade Coca. Dip the lip liner in your powder. I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Baking Banana Bread. Not sure how well this is going to work, but let's find out. Line your lips like you usually would. Oh, okay. And that actually went on really well along the bottom. You're going to do the exact same with your lipstick. I'm going in with my MAC lipstick in the shade Twig Twist. Dip it in that powder like that. I feel like I've done a hack like this before. Go ahead and apply it to your lips. Oh, okay. Just feels a bit weird. Oh, and it's mattified it, but not too much to the point that it feels like it's drying out my lips. It still feels good. And it actually doesn't feel heavy like I thought it would. Another good hack. Hang on, I'll be right back. I'm back. Comment which hack was your favorite. The concealer hack, the eyeliner hack, or the lipstick hack. Mine is probably the lipstick hack.